How to unhide a post on Facebook in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on your profile picture in the top in the below the home section. You can see that you have to click on your profile picture, and here you can see the three dots. You have to click on the three dots, and when you click on the three dots, you have to find the activity log. When you find the activity log, you have to click on the activity log, and then here you can see the activity log. And then what you have to do is you have to find the logged action and other activity, and you can find it by going to the bottom of the page, and then here you can see logged action and other activity. Then you have to click on the this drop down arrow, and when you click on the this drop down arrow, this page will appear, and here you can see the hidden from timeline here. So you have to click on the hidden from timeline. When you click on the hidden from timeline, then here you can see the all the post which is hidden from timeline, and uh, you can unhide a post by clicking on the three dots, and then click on the save to profile. By this you can simply unhide a post on Facebook. Firstly you have to go to the profile, and then go to the firstly go click on the profile, and then go to the three dots, click on the three dots, and then on the click on the activity log. And when you go to the activity log, you have to go to the logged actions another activity, and then you have to click on the hidden from timeline. And when you click on hidden from timeline, you come to this page, and here you can see the I have no items, so I can't see you, but you can do this if the your post each post have these three dots. And then what you have to do is to unhide a post is you have to click on the three dots, and then you have to click on the save to gallery, and your post is unhide. So that's it basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.